Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we explore what Condition Red means and why the crew of the USS Abraham Lincoln is running 24/7, and how this heightened state of alert keeps the ship and its crew always prepared for any situation. In this high-stakes environment, every second counts, and readiness is key to survival. Condition Red, often synonymous with Redcon 1 or weapons-free status, is the highest air defense alert level a U.S. Navy vessel can enter. It means the ship's radar and threat analysis center have determined that an attack is either in progress or imminent. In this state, the rules of engagement, ROE, shift automatically. The ship's automated defense systems, like the phalanx and CRAM, are unlocked to fire at any unidentified target approaching the keep-out zone without needing a human commander's final permission. Under normal sailing conditions, an aircraft carrier operates on 12-hour flight cycles. Running, continuous flight operations is known as surge ops. It is physically punishing and unsustainable for long periods. The fact that the USS Abraham Lincoln has shifted to this tempo signifies that the fleet is no longer just patrolling. It is actively securing the airspace around the clock to prevent any gap that a drone or missile could slip through during a shift change. The primary reason for 24/7 operations is to maintain a permanent combat air patrol. At any given second of the day or night, at least 4 F-35C or FA-18 fighters are airborne, circling the fleet. These jets act as a steel dome, extending the carrier's radar horizon by hundreds of miles. They are the first line of defense, ready to shoot down Iranian drones or cruise missiles long before they get close enough to threaten the ships on the surface. The 24-hour cycle is also offensive. Intelligence suggests that Houthi and IRGC missile teams use shoot-and-scoot tactics, driving mobile missile launchers out of tunnels at night to fire and then hiding them. By running 24/7 operations, the USS Abraham Lincoln keeps surveillance drones and strike fighters with thermal imaging over hostile territory constantly, waiting to strike these pop-up targets the moment they break cover, regardless of the time. To maintain this tempo, the flight deck crew is using hot pit refueling. Instead of shutting down jets after they land, pilots keep the engines running while the crew rushes to pump fuel and reload missiles. The jet then taxis back to the catapult and launches again immediately. This dangerous procedure cuts the turnaround time from hours to minutes, keeping more armed jets in the air to overwhelm enemy defenses. The specific threat of Iran's Fateh II hypersonic missile drives this readiness. Because a hypersonic missile travels at Mach 5+ over a mile per second, the carrier has less than 5 minutes to react once a launch is detected. Condition Red ensures that the ship's Aegis combat system is already fully powered and tracking, removing the fatal spin-up time required to activate defenses from a cold start. For the 5,000 sailors on board, Condition Red means general quarters stations are manned continuously or on tight rotation. Crew members are likely sleeping in their flash gear and anti-flash masks, often right next to their battle stations rather than in their bunks. The kitchen switches to battle rations, grab-and-go food, because the cooks are also manned at damage control stations. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.